Hello, everyone. I'm Sherry Lee. I'm really glad to present my 601 project to you. So for this project, I will be using the React framework as well as the JS, CSS, and other skills to show what I learned from this course. So let me start share my screen and show you my project. Give me 1 second. Can you guys see my screen now? I hope so, yeah. So this is my like React profile page. Just let me space. Yeah. So yeah, so for this project, what I did is I want to create a profile page and I included the header and the footer in here. And I want to create the module based using React structures. So, and also, so I kind of use the navigation bar in here to link to different pages, and all the design is component based. Yeah, let me walk you through the project. So this is my homepage. As you can see, I add the introduction. So I'm currently a CS student in BU and will be graduating this December. I'm really glad that uh, that this is my kind of last course I have so far. Yeah, so I'm really glad I learned a lot in here. And yeah, so I also have the contact information and the project I did in here. I will click this one afterwards. And also here, I have the GitHub, the resume, and the LinkedIn profile. So yeah, let me click the contact information. Yeah, so this is the contact information for myself. And so this help people to locate me through the profile. And when I click home, I just go back. And so this is a navigation bar. So if I click, let's say the resume here, so you can see this is my resume. Okay. And then if I click LinkedIn here, so actually this is my LinkedIn page. Yeah, so everything's linked to my website, and this is my GitHub page. Yeah, so this is my GitHub. Yeah, so I have many projects in here, but yeah. And then if I click the projects, you can see this is another page. So it's showcase about a lot of project I did in here. So I have the camping sites project, delivery service project, and the vending machine and email generation project. So I just list part of them here with pictures, and if I click this link, so it will link to the project that is stored in the GitHub. Yeah, so this is first one, and this is the second one. So the delivery project, and then this is the let's say this is a vending machine here. Let's see, vending machine. Yeah, this is the vending machine. And the last one is the email. Yeah, so the email is secure. Yeah, so yeah, so basically it's so if you go back to my home and it's just be back. So yeah, so that is probably the demo for my personal profile. So I use kind of the React router to dynamically route to different kind of pages with smoothly transition, and also the CSS styling. And yeah, so let me see. Let me stop share my demo, and let me see if I can show you the code on something I did in here. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, so let me start. Let's start sharing here. Okay. You see my screen here? Yeah. So this is my project. So here, so I have components with contacts, footer, header, home, and project navigation. So it's all in the components uh folder, and I have images in here that we have like different kind of image we need in here. And yeah, so we have style for footer and header, and for the JS file. So it just this is a starting point for this project. And if I let me show my so the contact in here, it's the contact page logic. So it's given its name and then the phone number, email, linking, and link with the web page. And then the footer is here, and this is the header. So for this is a home page. I first add first add a self introduction of myself, and then I link with the GitHub, with my resume and with my LinkedIn profile. Um, yeah, and for each project, I just imported with a picture, and linked with the project I did from GitHub, and listed all in here. So the styling is like kind of um the so if you just if you remember that once I kind of enlarge or shrink my page, so the pages will be like response with the screen size. So it's kind of dynamic. And yeah, so that's probably what I did mostly in here. So and also this is a README file. So it's like showing what I did in here and how to start with the program and the steps if you want to like launch this program. So yeah, so that's probably what I did in here. And it's kind of a little bit maybe simple, but I kind of practice my React skills I learned and combine with the JS and the CSS skills, and knowing the navigation bar too. And so it's just starting point for my web page, but I will add more contents inside. So, and the challenges and learning something here is like I kind of learn how the React structured for each components is really so before, so compared to the assignments I did, it's like using React to really simplify a lot of things. And yeah, and then for if and using the module CSS, so provide a more like clean design for my project. So and yeah, so that's what I want to show for my personal project, and I hope you guys like it. And thank you, Professor, and thank you, Josh, for all the help uh, in this course learning. I really learned a lot, and thanks for holding the office hours in here. I try to attend each office hour, and yeah, and even and learn a lot from here. Yeah, and just want to say thank you, and that's all for my presentation. Thank you. Bye.